You can apply for a British citizenship by naturalisation, depending on your situation. Please note that because of coronavirus it is taking longer than usual to process applications. This will not affect the decision, but extra time will be allowed to enrol biometrics, provide additional information and arrange a citizenship ceremony. If you are eligible in more than one way, you can choose which way to apply. Number 1, you are married to, or in a civil partnership with a British citizen. Number 2, you have indefinite leave to remain. Number 3, you have permanent residence status. Number 4, you have settled status under the EU settlement scheme. And number 5, if you are a Commonwealth citizen. Before we continue to the further details, please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on the UK immigration law. You may please also share this useful knowledge to your friends and family on other social media platforms.
No one believes more strongly than me in the benefits of migration to our country.
This is a UK-wide system that we are announcing and proposing today, and that is why we will be applying our points-based system.
Let's discuss each possible way one by one to apply for a British citizenship by naturalisation. If you are married to or in a civil partnership with a British citizen. To apply as the spouse or civil partner of a British citizen, you must have lived in the UK for the last 3 years. You'll also need to have one of the following: indefinite leave to remain, settled status under the EU settlement scheme, a permanent residence document to confirm you have permanent residence status. If you do, you'll be eligible to apply for citizenship immediately. If you have indefinite leave to remain, you can usually apply for ILR after you have lived in the UK for 5 years. To apply for citizenship with ILR, you must usually have lived in the UK for 12 months after getting it. If you have permanent residence status. If you or a family member are from the EU, or Switzerland, you usually get permanent residence status automatically after living in the UK for 5 years. To apply for citizenship with permanent residence status, you must usually have lived in the UK for 12 months after getting permanent residence status. You also need a permanent residence document that proves you have lived in the UK for 5 years. This can be any 5-year period. This means that if the 5-year period was more than 12 months ago, you will be able to apply for citizenship as soon as you get your permanent residence document. If you have settled status under the EU settlement scheme. If you and your family member are from the EU, or Switzerland, you can apply for settled status after you've lived in the UK for 5 years. To apply for citizenship with settled status, you must usually have lived in the UK for 12 months after getting it. Settled status is also known as indefinite leave to remain under the EU settlement scheme. If you are a Commonwealth citizen, you may be eligible to apply for citizenship under the Windrush scheme if both you or one of your parents arrived in the UK before 1973. You've lived in the UK and not been away from it for more than 2 years. If your parent arrived in the UK before 1973, you must have either been born in the UK, arrived in the UK before you were 18. Some Commonwealth citizens have right of abode in the UK. This means you can live or work in the UK without immigration restrictions. Check if you can apply to prove you have right of abode in the UK. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on the UK immigration law. You may please also share this useful knowledge to your friends and family on other social media platforms. Please also comment below or email us to discuss your case in more details. Our video ends here today. Thanks for watching.